Tiffany with SwissWatchExpo. Today I'm looking at a really special watch that we just got in. This is a Breguet Reine de Naples. Breguet, if you know anything about watchmaking, is one of the oldest in the world, and they've designed some of the very first wristwatches in history. This one was, the original design was for Caroline Bonaparte's sister, the Queen of Naples, which is where we get Reine de Naples from. And this design is both really playful and also really sophisticated. First of all, it's this beautiful egg shape, which is not something you see all the time. It's so flattering and just so much fun. It's got this beautiful coined bezel on the outside of the case, but it's also got this fabulous diamond bezel all around and diamonds on the inside of the bezel as well that sparkle inwards as well as sparkle outwards. The case itself is made out of 18 karat rose gold, which is so soft and warm and really fits and is a really great color to wear right now. It's also got the crown, which is offset kind of near the fore, which is a really fun feature and just kind of adds that whole playful vibe of this watch. The dial itself is made out of mother of pearl, and this one has got that like fluffy cloud, kind of really soft texture to it, which is so beautiful. And I think just as you move your wrist around, you can really see how it changes from the soft blue to this really soft pinky purple, and this kind of really gentle teal. It's also got this guilloche center where the blued steel hands sit, and this beautiful pear-shaped diamond you can see right at 6, which is amazing and mirrors this kind of design element on the case itself at 6 o'clock as well. I love how funky and elongated the Arabic numeral hour markers are. It really adds to the overall kind of art deco, really fun and playfully designed image that this watch has. If you are someone who loves watchmaking history or just loves elegantly crafted and really sophisticated timepieces, you should definitely be looking at this one because this is a really special piece that I don't know how long we're going to have it for. And if you are just a fan of beautiful watches in general, we have a ton more to choose from, but this is definitely going to be one of a kind for a while. So if you've fallen in love with this watch, or if you want to get someone a really, really special holiday gift this season, definitely check it out right now at SwissWatchExpo.com.